everyone, it's Reviews and Learning, and today the topic of the video is why are ocean salt levels not increasing by Reviews and Learning. So a main question that preschoolers ask after maybe why is the sky blue or those kind of questions, they ask probably that why is the ocean so salty? This is because salt comes out of eroded rocks and it comes from rivers. So the rivers erode the salts out of the rocks, and 4 billion tons of salt gets into the sea every year from those eroded rocks. So then another question is with basically like all that salt coming in, then why isn't the salt coming? Why isn't the salt levels increasing? So basically, there is a sea salinity, and those are balanced. As you can see here, there are a few ways why salt can be removed from the ocean. So the first one is evaporation, which is the picture here. This is some kind of evaporation process. And if you took 5 kilograms of salt from the ocean and evaporated it, there would be around 175 grams of salt left. So basically, evaporation takes some salt with it and also lots of water. Now, another thing is that the early ocean was saltier than today because conditions have changed over the years. Now, another reason why is that sinks. So sinks are caused when basically a part of the salty ocean water is cut off from the ocean. So the water slowly dries up, leaving behind salt in this kind of form. So these are called salt flats because all the water has evaporated and there's no more water coming in because there is no water outlet or inlet. Then it just dries up and then the salt becomes like this. Now the last one is hydrothermal. So this is another picture. So basically there are also hydrothermal vents. So these hydrothermal vents heat up seawater, and as it flows through rocks, those rocks are near magma, and that water with salt flow through rocks which are near magma. They cause chemical reactions that remove the salt. Now, also, the Dead Sea fills a similar role. So this is a picture of the Dead Sea. As the water is now evaporating and there is less water in the Dead Sea, it is leaving behind lots of salt like this, which is causing salt flats. So these are different kinds of salt flats. There are different kinds of salt flats, and these are different kinds, but these are old salt. Now, yes. So that is why the oceans are not getting saltier. Let's get a summary. The oceans are not getting salty, or because there's evaporation happening, there are sinks, and there are hydrothermal vents that are causing the salt to not increase, but it's not lessening either the salt levels. They're not going down either. They're staying the same. So that's how they keep it balanced. Well, thank you for watching Reviews and Learning, and see you next time.